How's everyone doing today? Well, it's about October 20th or thereabouts. Sorry I've been neglecting posting videos on how the garden's been going and homesteading stuff. I've just been too busy. Haven't had a chance to get out here and do much. But I just want to show you some stuff in the greenhouse, Carport greenhouse here. It's, like I said, almost October 20th or so. We haven't had a hard frost. Haven't even really had a frost at all, which is rare. Usually we've been getting frost end of September, early October. And this part of the garden frosts up pretty quick. It's usually the first area. Even with the plastic on, it's frosted right through. But if we walk into the greenhouse here, check this out. We got tomatoes still. I mean, some of them are getting kind of ratty. That's mostly my fault because I've closed the door about a month ago, both doors, and it got hot and humid in here. And I think it's affected the plants, getting some diseases on them. But other than that, there's still tomatoes at end of October. That's a first for me. And as we come over here, I've still got peppers. Like, I never have peppers this late in the game. And they're still ripening up. That's Hello to Yellow, I think it's called. And I got parsley going. I gotta water these guys again. And this plant is going crazy with flower buds still. It hasn't produced too many peppers. I think these are going to be ghost peppers, to be honest. I'm not sure. They look small and hot. And these plants are just doing well. But look, they're all growing flowers still. End of October. Technically, I should probably picking these off here, the tops like this, so that they actually produce energy into the fruits. And this plant's got some nice peppers coming on here. I picked a bunch yesterday. I've never had peppers in my life really, but this year I probably got about 40 of them already. Let's go down here. And yeah, I gotta pick these guys here. The bugs are starting to get to them. So I'll pick that. Look at that, good sized pepper. I'm so excited. Been making stuff with peppers for the past few weeks here. What else is in here? Not many more. Oh, there's one more down here. He's hiding out. I think this was called Chocolate Beauty. So we need to pick that as well. Kind of hard to do this. Here we go. Wow, it's a nice beautiful brown color on it, or chocolatey color I should say. So what I want to do today is actually I want to transplant some of these plants here into the house so I can overwinter them and then try to plant them out for next year. And here's some more tomatoes here. I picked some more of the aromas the other day. And actually, let's go take a look at the basil, because it looks like it probably got a little bit of frost last night for sure. Definitely did. So I'm going to pick the basil today, and I'm going to stick it in the dehydrator and dry it up so that we can have some basil for Christmas gifts and as well for the winter season for my food. So there you go. It's just a quick video on how well this has held up so far. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your gardening season, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening!